New York's lawsuit against Trump is different from his other legal troubles. It's personal. The $250 million civil lawsuit aims directly at two things important to Trump: his children and his brand, although allies say it may make another presidential run even more likely. Washington. Former President Donald Trump is no stranger to legal scrutiny, but there's something different about the $250 million civil lawsuit New York Attorney General Letitia James filed against him Wednesday. This time, it's as personal for him as it is political. James' suit strikes directly at Trump's children and at the core of his persona as a billionaire businessman who left an indelible imprint on New York's skyline. The real estate empire he flaunted was propped up by a network of fraudulent business dealings that played out for years, the suit alleges. If James prevails in court, the former president and three of his children would be banned from serving as officers of companies in New York and the state that gave rise to his global brand. "It means a lot to him that this is happening in his home state," said Jack O'Donnell, a former Trump hotel casino executive. "He can live in Florida and spend most of his time in New Jersey, but this is a New Yorker through and through in his own mind. It's a personal blow for him that this even happened." Upping the stakes, James named Ivanka Trump, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump as co-defendants in accusing the former president's companies of manipulating business records to secure favorable loans, fool insurers and win tax benefits. As executive vice presidents, the three children were intimately involved in the operation of the Trump Organization's business, James' lawsuit alleges. They were aware of the true financial performance of the company. Though the lawsuit does not formally seek a corporate death penalty dissolution of Trump's empire, a defeat in court could cripple the organization at the heart of his art of the deal brand in business, television and politics. Art of the Steal, James chided during a Wednesday press conference in which she portrayed Trump's legendary business savvy as an illusion built on deception. Trump parlayed his business career into a political movement that is exceedingly loyal and showing no signs of fracture now. He has all but announced that he's running for president in 2024, and the New York lawsuit, like the FBI's search of his Mar-a-Lago home before it, doesn't figure to be much of a deterrent. It probably makes it more likely that he runs for president, as I believe, should he win, the lawsuit would be held in abeyance while he was in office, Mick Mulvaney, a former Trump White House chief of staff, told NBC News. Trump is already facing a slew of state and federal investigations into his business practices, his efforts to overturn the 2020 election and the removal of sensitive documents from the White House.